Hello, Andy here. Just to let you know, I am still alive and I am still posting YouTube videos. However, I've got a new channel called Flick My Switch. This channel basically is everything that interests me. So rather having one channel dedicated to something, you've been looking at my personal channel. I've now started a new personal channel. However, it's all going to be about, well, many different things really. Yeah, I also have all my drone stuff. Although I had disassembled this one here in the very poor picture. I've got micro drones. I've still got 600 size helicopters. I've got a 450 size helicopter. I've got a 200 size helicopter. But since moving, they're still in boxes. Some of them need assembling because I had to disassemble them because they were too big for transportation. But I am going to get back round to flying something. We're not allowed outside at the moment because we're in a red zone. So anyway, stay tuned. They are coming. Radio control is part of my interest, so you won't be forgotten. I've kicked off with some Arduino coding. I bought a little board sensor which had temperature and humidity, and I'm learning Arduino coding and how to publish web pages and store data. So that's quite interesting. I'm also back into my 3D printing. I've had to buy a food dehumidifier or dehydrator to dry some filament out. So I'll tell you how I hack that apart. And other videos, I'm into a product called XLights. It's again using another sensor to control programmable RGB LEDs. This was just fixing my vacuum cleaner, and I thought, oh well, I'm going to make a video about that so it helps someone. Back to coding here. I'm making some mounts for a GoPro on my mountain bike and my road bike, and this was a failure. I thought it was going to work. I've got a part 2 coming out again. That's a failure, but I've got a good idea for part 3. My latest videos here are working with some Wi-Fi sensors, sorry, not Wi-Fi, 433 megahertz sensors, and learning about which codes they send out, adding a switch into one of them that gives you an anti-tamper. And yeah, there's going to be many different things. I've yet to do photography, but I've got lots of things queued up for that. I've got some product reviews to do of stuff that I've purchased for photography. So there's not going to be anything published on my personal site, I don't think, ever again, unless I need to show a personal friend or family something. Everything's going to be on my new channel. So it is Flick My Switch. Yes, I've spelt Flick slightly different, but hey, this is Netflix and videos. Flick My Switch. That's how I came up with the name. So if you're interested, please have a look. If you are interested, please like and subscribe. And I always reply to any comments that you leave on my videos. So that's Andy saying a good afternoon. Keep safe, keep well. Catch you again. Bye bye.